Okay. Alrighty, lads. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Can you guys hear me? Let's see. Yo! What's up, Shriram? How you doing, man? Let me just do a quick thing before sharing my screen. Bro, it was 06 and direct 0. Good, man. Hey, Rover, how you doing, mate? Okay. One sec. And I'm going to log out from my main LinkedIn on this, and then I'm just quickly get everything up here. Yo, money popping in. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Now I can share my stream. You guys are able to hear me, right? Like the volume is good, everything else is good. Sorry I got a bit late. I'm just having a really bad headache since evening. So I was just trying to find some meds. Nice, nice. That was actually the sound of LinkedIn, not money. Okay. No, bro, you will hack me. Okay. Okay. Let's get ready to rumble today. We'll try to complete a lot more stuff today because we didn't much yesterday. We only covered 3 tasks, so my goal is at least to cover tasks 4, 5 before time today would probably be around, like, let's say, based on how I'm feeling, right? Or if we complete a good amount of stuff. Hacker being hacked is not good. Dude, it's so funny you mentioned that. I know the guy at DEF CON. He I think was one of the organizers at one point for social engineering once, and he got phishing attack. Like when he was like he is, I think he still is one of the big guys who sponsors Social Engineering Village, and he had like got phishing attack because he was in a rush. Somebody sent him an Amazon email saying, "Hey, your things is not working." Did the login accidentally, like it went on, did the automatic sign up, done. Yeah, it's crazy. Like even like the hackers can get hacked. So yeah, like that his product, there was some issue or something, so he just logged in to see. I got a course 4 to 6 for Google cert within the last. Oh, so yeah, 4 out of 6 for the Google cert. Nice. That's awesome, man. Okay, but are you guys ready for task fraud? Yeah, Rover is rovering and locking in this free time. Okay, but today was good. Like I did some lead code after a long time. Did some YouTube, Python coding, I will say. So I was pretty happy today too. But I need to like find a sweet spot because not every day I will be able to do this. So have to find a way that I don't like get. It feels good when I'm deleting notes from the source mentally, saying I don't need to read that again. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's good to know. Alrighty. So, with that being said, let's start with our task 4, using hashing for secure password storage, which I think everybody does at this point. You don't know every single website use hashings to store password, right? So using hashing to store passwords, this is where hashing comes in, and it's basically should be used by every single company in this world. What if, plain text please, what if instead of storing the password, you just stored its hash value using a secure hashing function? This process means you never have to store a user's password Or if your database is leaked, an attacker will have to crack each password to find out what the password was. No, hashing is not good. Oh boy. Okay. So there's just one problem with that. What if two users have the same password, right? So let's say you have a database of all users username, right? Let's say UN and password hashes. So, bro, did you start the machine by the way? Actually, I haven't not. That's actually a good call. Thank you. I'll start this machine. Thanks, bro. My brain is not in the right space. Like, I can't wait to go to bed, honestly, and I need to like do something with my life. Thank you so much, bro. Okay, so as we were saying, right, there are usernames and password hashes. There are, let's say, couple of users, let's say Wrench, Rover, Shriram, and me, CH. Let's say Rover's, Wrench's password hash is ABC, Rover's is XYZ, Shriram's is like 1AB, and mine is also ABC, right? So anybody can tell that Wrench and my password are same, so I can hack him. No, actually, like, so basically that means that these two users have the same password, because if you are able to crack one, you basically crack the other one, right? So that's the problem. So what the tech guys did, right? As a hash function will always turn the same input into the same output, you will store the same password hash for each user, right? That means if someone cracks that hash, they gain access to the more than one account, right? Add some random salt. Yes, that's the right answer. It means someone can create a rainbow table to create that, to break the hashes. Rainbow table is you are able to like create a table of like, okay, this hash means this password, right? That's the rainbow table attack. A rainbow table is a lookup table for hashes to plain text. So you can quickly find out what password a user had just from the hash. A rainbow table trades the time to crack a hash for hard disk space. But it takes times to create, right? Because you have to go through a bunch of hashes and stuff. Good part is we have a lot of bad companies out there who don't take security, and that's why we have a job. And a lot of people have already cracked thousands or millions of passwords. Here's a quick example to get an idea of what a rainbow table looks like. So we have a hash and the password, equivalent password. So hash, password. Important thing to note, we need to know which hashing algorithm this is. Different hashes produce different ones, right? And we have a really good website called CrackStation, which I think I showed yesterday as well. Let me just post it here. CrackStation, you can have a hash. Let's say if I give it the hash here, this one. Hash ID is cool. Let's see. Hashes.com. Oh, okay. Maximum 25 separated by new. Oh, there are a bunch of hashes and stuff already. Show algorithm found. Holy, the CAPTCHA is pretty hard. WVAQYG. Okay, let's see it's able to find it or not. Hash identifier, no. Nothing. Okay. Let's see this one. Unknown, unknown, unknown. What hashing algorithm is this? Let's see. Hey, we found some more hashes then, I guess, for future. Okay, it's able to find. This is MD5. So let's see if I'm able to do WM1PTH is able to find 000 MD5 plane. Hash ID point tool can be used for finding hash types. Hash ID pi. Oh, hashes, hash type ID. Oh, this one, like hash ID. So basically this tool, okay. To find the type of, okay. Decrypt these ones. There is one in Kali, you mean? Hash identifier, this one? Hash identifier. Least possible hashes, possible hashes. Okay. Okay, that's actually good to know. I didn't know about hash identifier. That's good to know. Thanks, bro. Need to keep this. Okay. Oh, I accidentally closed the other one. Okay, now going back, right? Websites like CrackStation, Hashes.com internally use a massive rainbow table to provide fast password cracking for hashes without salts. Doing a lookup in a sorted list of hashes is quicker than trying to crack the hash, because that's basically brute force versus somebody already have a database to help you find this thing, right? Protecting against rainbow tables. Control Shift T for to reopen old tabs. Oh, I had no idea. Nice, thank you. Protecting against rainbow tables. To protect against rainbow tables, we add a salt to the passwords. The salt is randomly generated value stored in the database and should be unique for each user, right? In theory, you should use the same salt for all users, but duplicate passwords should still have the same hash, right? And a rainbow table could still be created for passwords with that. So basically, why you should not use the same salt? It doesn't help with our problem of people having same password. The salt is added to either the start or the end of the password before it's hashed. There are some boxes where salt was same. Oh, interesting. On TryHackMe? Oh, look, I would love to. I would love to try those things. And I think with John the Ripper, we have that coming, right? The next one is using John the Ripper to crack hashes and password. So I'm excited about that one. So the salt is added to either the start or the end of the password. Okay, no problem. We'll figure it out before it's hashed, and this means that every user will have different password hash even if they have the same password. So they can have the same password hash, salt is added, so the hash will be different, right? Oh, all good, bro. Hash functions like bcrypt and scrypt handle this automatically. Salts don't need to be kept private. So basically, salt can be in the same place as the table, wherever is your table, right? Examples of securely storing password, right? You can find many good guides online that promote best security practices when storing passwords. Please check if there are any standards you need to follow when storing password before adopting one. So basically, if you are, let's say, starting a company in India, US, certain rules like HIPAA and all those, given what industry you are using to create your next AI app or something, you have to follow them. Same with password, but given how much I know about from the what's it called, recent breaches and all those stuff, even the biggest companies don't care about these standards and they get away with it. Consider this example following good security practices when storing user passwords. We select a secure hashing function, such as Argon2, scrypt, bcrypt, or pbkdf2. Okay, I have not heard of any of these, so maybe we can look into this later. And I'll store it in my name here. Okay, we add a unique salt to the password, such as this. Just some random letters. Concatenate the password with the unique salt. For example, if the password is this, whatever, alarm clock, right? The result string would be alarm clock plus the salt. Calculate the hash value combined with of the combined password plus salt. In this example, using the chosen algorithm, we calculate the hash value of this and store the hash value and the unique salt used. So basically, we are storing the salt as well as the hash. Using encryption to store password. Consider the problem of solving password for authentication. Why don't we encrypt passwords instead of all these cumbersome steps? The reason is that even if we select a secure hashing algorithm to encrypt the passwords, or basically, hash the password, not even encrypt, before storing them, we still need to store the used key. Consecutively, if someone gets the key, they can easily decrypt all the password. Yo, Idor, what's up? Good morning, bro. Good morning. Manually check the hash of this one using the rainbow table above. So lads, you guys have to answer these things now. Your time to shine. What is the password for this? I know that bcrypt is used etc's shadow at least. Oh, okay. Had no idea. You have to get the hash. This is the second hash. Oh, I think this one here is, if I go, it's, oh, Argon22. Okay. Need to look into these. Might be helpful one day, right? Should you encrypt passwords in password verification systems? Yay or nay? So these two answers are going to be by you. This one is try hack me. And nay. Sick. Thanks, Wrench. Okay. Recognizing password hashes. Oh, here it is. Hash ID. Okay. From the cyber defense security perspective, my first answer got censored. Really? Hey Panda, how you doing? What was it? Bro, I keep forgetting to check why it's getting censored so much. I'm good too, boss. Thank you so much. No, come here. Okay, good. Nothing got showed. Okay. Let me know what was it. Oh, it's this one. I see. The dollar values. Interesting. YouTube is censoring a lot, bro. Okay, so recognizing password hashes. From the cyber defense security perspective, we covered how to store passwords securely for authentication systems. Let's tackle this from the offensive security perspective. If we start with a hash, how can we recognize its type, eventually crack it, and recover the original password? So basically, all the things regarding if as a hacker we need to do. Automated hash recognition tools such as hash ID exist but are unreliable for many formats. For hashes that have sorry, 1 second. Too hot here, bro. Too hot in Gander right now. Okay. Automated hash recognition tools such as hash ID exist. Use text or this if you are getting censored. Oh, yo, I don't mention something, Wrench. Try this. I don't send that. Okay. So hash ID exists but are unreliable for many formats. For hashes that have a prefix, the tools are reliable. Okay, use a healthy combination of context and tools. If you find the hash in a web application database, it's most likely to be MD5 than NTLM. So the one for our... Oh, it is working. Nice. Thanks, Idor. So NT LAN Manager. NTLM, I think it's again for... Oh, that one also worked. Nice. Yo, thanks, Idor. So NTLM is the one we learned about Active Directory, but if you find something in web application, it would be MD5. Automated hash recognition tools often get these hash types mixed up, highlighting the importance of learning yourself. Okay, that's good to know. Linux password, right? So basically, your hash ID is a good one, but again, unreliable. Use it, but if you're not able to find, don't beat yourself to it. Got to go, gonna continue my malware development stuff. Stream mute. Oh, thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate you coming and taking time out, man. So on Linux, and also thanks for sending the courses. On Linux, password hashes are stored in etc shadow, which is normally only readable by root, right? They used to be stored in etc password, which was readable by everyone, right? The shadow file contains the password. So this is a big reason why they moved from password to shadow. The shadow file consists the password information. Each line contains 9 fields separated by colons. The first 2 fields are login name and the encrypted password. For information about other fields, you can be found by executing man5 shadow on Linux system. Okay, I need to keep this. This is some good information to go for future. I don't know if I can send this much here. Maybe not. Yeah, no. Nope, can't send it. I can just send this much. What about... Oh, Twitch I can send whatever I want. That's good. Okay. The encrypted password field contains the hashed passphrase with 4 components. So prefix, the algorithm ID, options, salt, and hash. It is saved in the format contains the hash passphrase with 4 components. So basically the encrypted password we see in etc shadow, right, is of a hashed value of the prefix, which is the algorithm used, options, right, parameters used, salt, and the hash itself. The prefix makes it easy to recognize Unix or Linux style passwords. It specifies the hashing algorithm used to generate the hash. There is a quick table for some of the most common Unix style password prefixes you might encounter. They are listed in order of decreasing strength. If you read, you can read more about them by checking the man page for man5 crypt. Need to check all these things after the stream. Sorry lads, I'm just keeping things in. I need to like go over these things. With that, I realized like I was missing out on a couple of important stuff recently. So we have prefix $y. The yes script is a scalable hashing scheme and schema and is the default and recommended choice in the new system. So decreasing. So this is going to be decreased. This is the recommended one's biggest one or most like I think strongest. GY Ghost yes script uses the Ghost R34.11 hash function and yes script hashing method. Bro, check the resource guide that is in Discord, the privilege escalation. Right now? Wait, hold up. This one, like, no, after the stream or anytime you get. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, bro. Thank you for sending. Privilege escalation is something I need to learn better. So Ghost Yes uses this Ghost algorithm hash function and the Yes script hashing method. Script is a password based key derivation function. So 2by is bicrypt. Just check it so you can get to know the basics. Yes, please. Thank you. You say too much sorry and thanks. Bro, the Canadians got me, man. I'm from Delhi. I never used to say sorry or thanks much. Canadians got me, man. They got me. They hacked me. I used to be saying that. I used to say this too, right? Like, you guys say sorry and thanks too much. The Canadians got me, man. They hacked me. They changed the settings, default settings. Yeah. Oh, had a boy, bro. Nice. We might meet sometime. Yeah, that's exactly how it is. Sorry here, sorry there. Bro, I still remember. I told somebody that if sorry and thanks were removed, right, Canadians won't have anything to say. Like, they won't be able to complete a sentence. West, bro. West side. West side? But yeah, man, like I said this to someone. I think it was to a professor or someone. I was like, you guys just say sorry and thanks too much. If we remove those two words from English, nobody, like, you guys can't complete a sentence. Nice. Bro, we'll meet one day then. We'll meet someday soon. Bcrypt is a hash based on Blowfish block cipher originally developed by OpenBSD but supported on a recent version of FreeBSD, NetBSD, Solaris 10, and newer in several Linux distributions. Yeah, it'll be nice, bro. It'll be nice to meet in person. I want to meet a rover in person too, so bad. 2by, 2ya, 2a, and 2a. So basically, with 2, you will know Bcrypt. Even like Rabbit, Shriram, Idor, I want to meet you guys in person. It would be so fun. So, SHA 512 encrypt or crypt is a hash based on SHA-2 and 512-bit output, originally developed by GNU Library C and originally used on older Linux systems. How many people should I take with me? How many are you calling? Now, like, I think everybody is in like different, because I know Shriram is like in South. Let's all meet at DEF CON after becoming pro hackers. Oh, 100%. Hopefully, I'm able to sponsor all of your guys' trip. That'll be so fun. Sun MD5 is a hash based on MD5 algorithm originally developed for Solaris. And MD5 crypt is a hash based on MD5 algorithm originally developed by FreeBSD. Modern Linux examples. Dude, it's funny. I think at least DEF CON, man, there are so many villages there. Oh, 100%. Dude, it will be like going to a Disneyland, right? For as a kid, if we go into a candy shop or a Disneyland, that's how the feeling would be. So, modern Linux example. Consider the following line from modern Linux systems shadow password file, right? So, sudo cat shadow1 grep this strategos. So we get -y, so we know which algorithm is used, the first one. Idor and myself in south side, Wrench and Rabbit in north, yeah. Then we have, I think this was the options, and then this is the salt, and this is the hashed value till here. This is so much good information. Now I understand things so much. I don't know where Rabbit is exactly from. I think he was in UP somewhere, which is a province in India, for people who don't know. The fields are separated by colons. The important ones are the username and the hash algorithm, salt, and the hash value. So we have this username, algorithm, options, salt, and the hash value. Bro has guns for sure. I have to be nice to him for now on. Oh no. The second field has the format, prefix, option, salt, and stuff, and the hash. In the example above, we have y indicating the yes script, the parameter passed to the algorithm, salt use, and the hash value. MS Windows password. So Microsoft Windows password are hashed using NTLM, a variant of MD4. Bro, I have never heard of MD4. Where are you from in Canada? Oh, MD4. I never heard of MD4, man. Holy MD4. That's some ancient stuff. They are visually identical to MD4. They are visually identical to MD4 and MD5 hashes. So it's very important to use context to determine the hash type. On Microsoft Windows, password hashes are stored in SAM, Security Accounts Manager. Oh, I know this one. I knew it was because of NTLM. Oh, Microsoft Windows tries to prevent normal users from dumping them, but tools like Mimikatz, which we have used, exist thanks to Rabbit, exist to circumvent Microsoft Windows security. Normally, the hashes found are the split into NT hashes and LM hashes. The great place to find more hashes format and password prefixes is the Hashcat example hash pages. Sardo, guys, pray for me. My computer is idling. Oh wow, howdy, bro. Well, holy 100% CPU. Are you sure you're not hacked, bro? Or what were you doing? The last time I remember, like my data or like something like this was happening because I was hacked. I don't know what you did. It's going to get detected in a security in real SOC. Oh yeah. GPU mining, yeah, he could be mining too. I don't know what you're doing, bro, but 100% CPU. That's like some. This is like very very rare things I have seen in my life. It has happened, but very very rare. You typically need to crack the length or encoding or even conduct some research into application that generated them. Oh, crypto mining, yeah. Do you have like a backup? Because things like this, just I the only thing I did was like just reset my whole computer. We used to play with the school computers like that. Install Arch, yeah. The length and encoding, even conduct some research into the application that generated them. Never underestimate the power of research. What is the hash size of yes script? Lads, okay, let's go up. Hash size. This is your hash. If you hate yourself, install Arch. Actually, it's funny. You guys mentioned there is some community. If you are want to do development of Arch or Black Arch, doesn't have a GPU, right? You don't have to have a GPU for it, but it does have one. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, you don't have to install the GUI version. Sorry, not GPU, GUI. Sorry, yeah. My apologies. My apologies. I messed up both the words. The GUI. You don't have to install the GUI version, but it has a GUI. And Black Arch GUI is like, bro. I told you I have a headache today. You will see. But actually, Black Arch like symbol is pretty cool. I really like it. Looks pretty cool. Like looks almost like from Dragon Ball Z or stuff. Yeah, no, I'm going to stay with Kali too. Hash mode listed in Cisco ASM MD5. Hash mode. Okay. Is type 5. Use a simple MD5 algorithm with 1000 iteration. Hash type is ASA. Yeah. No, like I will say this to you, Shriram. If you really like this is what somebody told me, right? If you really need to understand, okay, how the CPU, like a bunch of different components come together, right? Like playing with CPU, hard drive, stuff like that. If you really want to just understand the hardware side of things, right? How they connect to a brief, then do Arch. But if not, then you don't need it, bro. Arch, but like Arch is like Vim of code editors. You can just go in a place and just say I use Vim or I use Arch. People won't talk to you. They will be jealous of you, honestly, but they will hate you also. If you have to really hate yourself to learn, yeah, 100%. You need to explore stuff. That's for sure. Hmm. I need to understand this hash mode listed in Cisco ASA. Let's see. I use Arch as server. It works pretty fast. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think it's like one of those ones, right? Like Alpine Linux, which are like very, very not needed. Like they just have only bare minimum stuff. Like bare minimum. So let's see what is. Oh, it's a firewall. Cisco Secure Firewall ASA, proven firewall and network security. We have VPN, awareness, identity based firewall. So hashes next gen supports the suite B cryptographic algorithms. Blah blah blah. So MD5, I need to look for MD5 mode. Integrity of iOS software. Type 5. Does it like, I don't understand. Does it mean like MD something like this? No. 2410? Hold up. I need to look into that too then. Mode. Dude, I want to look. I don't want to just. No. The answer gives it. I don't want to. Hashcat1. Oh, this type of mode. Cisco ASA. Oh, I see this mode. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Find it. Found it. Let me give you guys the link too. Dude, I need to like Hashcat is also one of those like I really need to learn. One I really need to learn is the Wi-Fi hacking for fun, just to play with people, and then this Hashcat. Yeah, we have to give Hashcat the mode like when we were doing with NTLM. Yeah, yeah. Okay. What hashing algorithm is used in Cisco ISO if it starts with this? You need a router for Wi-Fi hacking. Why? You are very fast with these. S script. Okay, I found it too. Haha. But I like when you say I need a router. Like I just need to buy a good router, better router than the one comes with my like internet provider. Password cracking. This will be a good one to look into later. Hashing for encryption check. Okay. Lads, is it okay if we can do this tomorrow? My brain doesn't work right now. Oh. No, like you don't get trapped. Like you don't get trapped. People find out CH is hacking now. Oh, I see. Yeah. Sorry, like I'm really, my brain is hurting. I should have like, the problem is I don't have a proper schedule in life. That's my biggest problem right now. And I really need to like properly sleep and come back. Your Wi-Fi card need to have a more. Do you have like a good? Let's say if I have a router to practice Wi-Fi hacking. There is Hack 5 should have the pineapple one, right? Monitor mode. Oh, I see. They have the Wi-Fi pineapple leading pen tester gear. Okay. Oh wow, $300. That's nice. Okay. Wi-Fi pineapple. Rubber, dude. I want to build my own rubber ducky though. One day I just want to build my own rubber ducky. That's like such a big project. Like has been in my brain. Let me just put it here. And rubber ducky and what was it? Wi-Fi. Those are two things I really would be really happy if I do this. Because like a lot of I I got like a red flagged on my university when I said like, yo, there are these computers. If somebody use, can I just install rubber ducky and see if somebody notice? Got a red flag on my file. Just add a cheap Wi-Fi adapter with monitor mode. Okay. When I know, yeah. Oh, Flipper Zero. That is a big one too. Yeah. I think it should be here, right? Flipper Zero. Do they have Flipper Zero? But I know they're like premium stuff, and a lot of people don't need it. Dude, I know somebody who mentioned. I think they were able to what was it? Dude, somebody played Five cannot control traffic lights. Let's see. There has been some viral video with Flipper Zero controlling traffic light. They are fake. Technically, if you have a huge IR blaster, you can, but Flipper by itself can't. It actually can. It requires a lot of add-on components and understanding the frequencies that the emergency vehicles use. I believe it's infrared, and but it has been done. In addition, you need to know the pattern the signal is sent by the emergency vehicle. Is it a constant stream of IR or is it a okay? But I remember seeing a video. They don't ship to India. Do they ship where I live? Maybe that would be a good if I come to India, you guys can ask me. If I'm rich, like if I wish I win a lottery, banned in Canada. They're banned in Canada, bro. Canada is like going in the backward direction when it comes to technology. That's for sure. Oh, dude, this reminds me. It gives me a PTSD for. Let's see, Kickstarter. Oh, they were a Kickstarter. Wow. GitHub documentation downloads for developers. Ooh, jobs. Maybe I can get a job there. Import duty and they ask for reason for purchasing. Oh, I see. Oh, Amazon. I can buy from Amazon directly. 374. Oh, I thought it was like $50. Damn. But it's worth it as far as I know. Looks cool too. I love this like logo. Oh, you tried to buy it for $50? It's so crazy. Yeah, what's that, Idor? You tried 212? Oh, on the site it's 212. Most expensive on Amazon, but you wouldn't have to worry about the border fees, etc. Oh, makes sense. One Indian dude made it cheaper. Hackcat. Okay, let's see. Oh, India's first pen testing device. Penetration testing device that integrate with a wider array of wireless security tools. Oh, it has the same features. Dude, 6,000 rupees. Wow, that's way cheaper. How much would that be? Like $120 or $100 almost? No. Cat hash. Let's see what this is. Dude, people are chilling. Hackgears.in. Check them out. Oh, he's a Tamil dude. Nice. Okay. Damn. Dude, like that's where like he Bluetooth pen testing, IoT pen testing. Nice, bro. Nice. Panda Pod. Yo, Panda. His Insta is hacker now full. Nice. Yeah, you can build like that's the thing. Like it's like you can build iPhone almost like iPhone 2, right, for cheap. It's available -21. I would like to learn some basic hardware stuff. Not sure where I would want to learn from. Actually, like one thing I learned little bit hardware from was university. That is one of the useful things I learned. He's an IoT hacker. Wow. Like one thing I learned, I think Rover. I think for Canada, it would be one would be great. One would be like if you can get some in-person classes or just colleges. Colleges can teach you those stuff really good. Depends, like college though, not university. Just assembly or ASM, like assembly. What is just ASM? There is so many things to learn to play with, right? In hacking, so many things are there. It's so amazing, like lovely. Damn, man. Damn, damn. Oh, rubber ducky. I love rubber ducky. Just the name itself is so cool. G ducky. Yo, ho, ho, G ducky. Check Discord. Okay. Oh wait, you send in person. One sec. Oh, this is the guy who, yeah, we saw the image from, right? Nice. Hacker now full. Cybersecurity and hardware hacking. AI and IoT stuff. Nice. Dude, that's some good stuff. This is how, like, this is what India I see to be, right? Yeah, assembly. I would love to do IoT just assembly and assembly, yeah. It's crazy, right? Even like if even just one person it's just about like a time when you are able to get into a good company about cybersecurity, and it's like a Gucci life after that, because during the day you're still learning and stuff, and the afternoon you can like actually do things that are like out of the thing, right? Like if you are doing web hacking, that's what you want to do, that's your full-time job, and other things like IoT, AI hacking you can do on the side. That's so cool. Dude, I'm going to follow this guy. This will be nice. Thank you, bro. Oh, I got your profile suggestion. Oh, you. Oh, I see. Maybe because like of the link you sent. That's why. If you just send this one, I think. If you just send this one, but because I think you sent the full link, that's why I'm getting your suggestions too. Good to know who you follow, bro. Now I will be able to find who you follow, and like I will be able to see you. This is like the session thing we were talking about yesterday. This is actually how it works. The keys and everything, right? Damn, dude. Well, like, this is amazing. I'm very happy to see, like, people are actually making progress. I would love to, yeah, we can connect 100%. Yeah, I won't OSINT, man. Man, if I get paid for analyzing logs and hacking sites, all good for me. Can't find me on Instagram. Bro, I know you on LinkedIn. Yeah, dude. If I, like, I will say this. If I can teach hacking, I learn something and I can teach hacking and help people, that would be like a dream thing. That's what I'm doing technically right now. I just need a little bit more money. Sounds good, bro. I'll save this and I will let me put it here so I remember. It would be nice, like if I'm able to teach people and do some on myself, like some pen testing roles. Those will be good. You are not an Insta, dude. I'm on Insta, but I hardly like use it. Honestly, my most use is Discord at this point. Yo, CH, also make a stream for Python so people like Rover can learn. That is a good call. That is a good call. That is a good call. Yeah, I think I can do some. I can I make a video? Maybe I can. I will look into that for sure. Wrench, even I'm not in. Oh yeah, dude. Instagram is like a stupid platform at this point. Instagram, Twitter. I'm just using them to like just get a reach on YouTube and Twitch. But my most YouTube, Discord, and Twitch are my most used social media. And WhatsApp, if it is considered a social media, it's more a messaging app, in my opinion. Oh, Insta is fucked up. Like, um, Insta, because Twitter, there's so much of adult content. Insta has become that recently after Trump came in. But it's so toxic, so I deleted my account. Yeah, yeah, no, that's Sriram. Stay away from Instagram. Legit, like, stay away. I also don't like it. And it's like, if you're on Discord, try hack me, hack the boss. Those are good. Na? I bet you didn't know this. If you know this line, very famous right now. What's that? Okay, Idol is coming up with something. Let's see. Very famous right now. Just send me in private then. Send me in private if you don't want to. I used to have a editing account with 4K followers, and one of my fam reels went 2 million views. Wow, golden days, but now it's worse. Yeah. Some girl said that, I think. What does mean? What is it? This Muskan Karia? Oh, like I bet you didn't know this. I bet you didn't know this. These ones for Instagram. Oh, I know. Like I bet like these are like some clickbait ones, right? So stupid, man. No, no, no. She's a dumb girl. Yeah, it looks like it. These looks like stupid. Like, I bet you didn't know this. I know I don't want to know it, right? Like, I bet you didn't know this. I don't want to know, lady. Sister. Auntie. I don't want to know. I have too many things already in my plate. I don't want to know. Do you know how to use Nmap? Let me talk to you. Let's sit down here. Bro, if I get somebody to say, yo, do you know about this? No, no, no. You listen to me. You listen to me. Come, let me show you how to use Nmap and just like show them those DEF CON videos where people are using social engineering to hack other people. Just scare them away from your life. So good. Such a good feeling. Yeah. Dude, like, but I'm saying this, like, if you really want to be happy in life and stay away from people, I'm giving you the antidote of this. Scare them with DEF CON videos. Yeah, yeah, 100%. She doesn't know math, and her audience asked her normal edition math, and she was like, dude, but that's the thing, right? Like, a lot of people are famous. Like, the world has changed so much, and a lot of them will act dumb so they can get views. A lot of them will act dumb so they can get views. And that's what the problem with social media is. And these people are getting so many views, so much money, that people who are following them, right? Here's the chain. Let me show you one very interesting thing, right? Let's say somebody did something stupid. Like, this is a stupid Joe. Let's call it Stupid Joe, right? IShowSpeed also, like, he understood that people, if you can do stupid shit, right? Do stupid stuff, right? There are few people who do good things and their power, but it's rare. Yeah, do like it, like they do stupid things, right? Things go viral because our social media apps are made for those. Like, that's the biggest difference, right? I don't know if you guys know, somebody did an analysis of like social media algorithms analysis of in China versus in, like, let's say America, right? China, people who are getting like these, like the person like this, you will never see photos like these. He's getting an award, there is Air Force, right? Some business coming up, right? You will never see these recommendation. What you will get recommended, do you know this? I bet you didn't know this. Fuck off, bro. Behencho. Sorry. So CH, when you do stupid thing stuff on your machine, taking it down so it's good. Bro, I'm still doing good. Do you even read Medium Post? Yeah, sure. I do read a couple of Medium posts, like, because my dev daily is a bunch of Medium posts. So I do read, like, not a lot, but I do read them. Sorry, what I was saying is, just to explain to you what is going on. A Stupid Joe, right? No, but I use like a website, so I don't have to go through that. There is a website I use. So CH, when we do stupid stuff on your machine, taking it down. Oh, like when you do it. Sorry. No, it's like fun though. We are playing. We are having fun. That's different compared to like what other people are saying, right? Oh, you know the guy who did that. Oh, cool. Yeah, like as I was saying, like Stupid Joe understood, right? Stupid stuff will get viral. There's a really good video, I think, also on how we should leave these people with David Goggins. Dude, David Goggins is G. Bro, I want to meet David Goggins for sure. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think that's the one. But yo, this is the one. Fat influencers are dying. A lot of people are talking about, oh, mukbang, all those stupid like ones too, where you are just eating like there is no tomorrow, and other people who don't know how many times you have cut that, right? How many times like things were not eaten properly or things you threw up. You are destroying the world, and like like so many people get these. There's like these videos of like I think it was on his one I saw how fat people are dying, and they're dying at 34, 35. They are dead. Yeah. Oh, 100%. I think a person like David Goggins I would love to meet, and I think I will become better after meeting him for sure. Starts with FND. I think I know. I don't remember if this was the same URL, but I forgot. I need Idor. Can you explain? You are talking about the person or the link? Yeah, dude. Like these things, like you guys are doing good for your life. Honestly, like at least you guys are not doing the link. Oh, probably yeah, yeah. I think that I have that saved link. I should sleep. Yes, I need to get. I took the medicine, and my brain. I'm chewing up my own words. I don't realize that. Yeah, I have to wake up early to do the stream. But yo, Idor, can I share the bookmark? 1 second, lads. Let me share the bookmark which he's mentioning. Code catcher. Free medium. Yeah. Freedium. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the one. I believe this is the one. Yeah. Freedium.com. So basically, Freedium.com. Isn't it this one? I thought it was this one. Right? Yeah, it is the CFD one. This one is the one. Let's say if you don't have to pay for your free medium ones. Really good one. Like I needed this because at one point I was reading a lot of medium for AI. Yeah, so it's very good. So if anybody don't know, you guys already are way ahead. But yeah, man. But yeah, let's thank you so much. Tomorrow I promise I will be a bit more active and I will complete, or we will together will complete the password cracking, hashing for integrity check and the conclusion. And we'll just have a look. Won't be starting it, but we'll have a look at this guy. Learning path. Come on. Aja. John the Ripper. I think Rover. Oh, you mentioned right. You liked John the Ripper, if I'm not wrong. You can surpass me, man. I won't. I won't. I would like it will spark a little bit of stuff in me. Holy man, after a job is hard. So John the Ripper, hash cracking. It's I think it is censored hacker. It is censored hacker. Censored hacker. Yeah. Yeah. They're all based on criminals. Oh, I'm in top 7%. Why? I haven't done much. Or maybe majority of it's still big number. So introduction, basic terms. We'll have a look into these things day after tomorrow, but we'll cover a lot of things. I want to complete John the Ripper at least if this week, hopefully. If not, at least Monday would be the last day. Hopefully we are able to complete because this will be at least a lot of good learning and stuff. Yeah. But okay, that's thank you, bro. Said why you going? No, I want to like hit a number like at least top 1% one day. Like this, you see, I want to remove at least one digit here by the end of the year. I want it to be like around 12,000, something like that. But yeah. But thank you so much, Idor, Wrench, Sriram, Rover, my man. Sardo, hopefully your system, you are able to figure it out, like what's going on and fix it, right? And I will see you tomorrow. We'll do some lead code. Just followed you, man. Oh, thank you so much. Send me yours. I will love to follow you too. It'll be nice to check what you are up to. But yeah, let me take this. thing here. Okay. Awesome. You're always on top of my list. Yeah. Good night, lads. Have a good day, right? Grind, and you are doing good for your life. But do also go out, have just do some exercise, just go for a walk, enjoy the nature. That's important too, right? Wrench, that's your one. Okay, sounds good. I'll do that. Sounds good. But thank you so much, everyone. Sorry, could not do a longer stream, but I promise tomorrow will be longer, and I will try to cover as much as possible and be on time. I will try to be on time. That's, I think, a big one. Ghost Shell, Shri Ram. Okay, sounds good. I'll follow you guys. Thank you so much, lads. Have a good one. Don't forget to give the hug to your loved ones and tell them how much they mean to you, because in life, that moments, those things, no amount of money will bring those moments. So do give them a hug and let them know how much they mean to you. Say I love you, just like I love you guys. Bromance on top. Thank you so much. This is your favorite hacker, the one who might not get the DEFCON. No, I will get the black one, but like, who is not on top of the Try Hack Me chart, but is a number one on the Bromance chart. Bromance on top, baby. Have a good one. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. And yeah, I'll send you guys my link. I send the link in the what's it called, Discord. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye.